Hello friends, my name is Mehek. Today we will play with our oven. We will cook so much thing inside the oven. There I will make fish, carrot, then crab. Let's start it. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's put the burger over there that we can do it easily. Or you can go, oh my goodness. Let's make the fruits a little empty place that we have a little place to do. The burger. It's a burger. You can open it and close it. Yummy burger. Let's start it. It's a water tank. Fresh water. Let's start it. 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, let's cut the crab. Okay, one piece. Let's open the oven. One piece. We will cook it. Beep. How much time do we need? Aha! Ding! Done! Let's take it. It's the yummiest crab I never seen. Where is the plate? Where is it? That was very, very delicious. Let's cut the fish now. Funny. Where's the piece? Oh, the fish has no piece. Oh, we can't eat. Let's see if there is any more fish. I found one. If it was my last fish, someone ate my fish. Let's take off this. And let's open the oven and put the fish and close it. Let's cook it. Okay, 30 seconds. Let's count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are done. Ding! Oh, the food is done too. was very hungry. Let's see. Plate. Let's eat it now. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that was yummy. Lastly, we will cut the carrot. One piece can do. Let's put it in the oven. Oops. Let oven cook it. Let's count to 10. We need to wait 10 seconds. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ding, ding. Oh, it's ready. The carrot smells delicious. Where's the plate? Here you are. Let's take the spoon. Start eating. Wow, I'm done. That was delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon. Hello friends. My name is Mehek. Today we will play with so much things. Today we will cook. There is so much thing. There is some fruit, mango, grape, banana, na. So funny. There is vegetables that we will cook. There is radish. And it's a fruit. Let's put it. We will not cook. This is a crab. It will get you. It's a crab. Let's start cooking. And it's many vegetables. Oops, my cup fell. Let's put it on. Next, put them over here that we can cook easily. There is no problem that we are doing this way. Okay, stay here. Radish can go over here, and pot is over here. Let's start cooking. Let's start with the crab. To cut the crab first. Cut it. Can you cut the crab? Let's put one piece, and another piece will be for another day. Okay, let's cut another vegetable, the radish. One piece, of course, because we don't use two pieces. One piece can do. I love cooking. I love cooking. I love cooking. Oh, done. Food is done. Let's take the pot. Wow, so delicious. One. Put here. Two. One plate is full. It's for the party. Is the party. The Barbie will come in our party. Okay, let's cook another thing. Let's cook the fish. Oh my goodness. Get it. Let's cut it. And what? Okay. Here's the piece. And it's the bone of the fish. It's the next place. Wow. Let's put one, and this can do another day. I am cutting that. Let's cut this tomato. What? Huh? Okay, let's try it slowly. Yes, one piece. Tomato. So funny. Next done. Oops, sorry. I was very excited. So delicious. Put a plate here. Put the tomato. Fish here. Tomato here. Let's cook another. Let's cut this pumpkin. One piece. Put one piece. One will be the last ingredient. I love to cook. It's done. It smells so good. Let's take a plate. Okay. Let's keep. Oops. Let's do the pumpkin. Wow, we are done. And all the guests will love this food. It's the end. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon. And like and subscribe. I will give more fun videos like this one. Bye. See you soon.